Since we have started combinational circuits, and in last videos we have done adders, all the combinational circuits for adders, for addition, and we have started combinational circuits for subtraction, that is subtractor. So half subtractor and full subtractor we have done in our last video. So today we'll do n bit subtractor and borrow ripple subtractor. So first of all, we'll talk about n-bit subtractor. What is n-bit subtractor? And n-bit subtractor is a by subtraction that is used to do subtraction of n-bit binary value and n-bit binary value y. So if we have n-bit binary subtractor means we have a value, a binary value that is n-bit. So y is a value that is n-bit binary value. So n-bit subtractor is used to subtract the n-bit binary value, that is y, from another n-bit binary value, that is x. So for this one, if n-bit value is there, binary value, for that we need n-bit subtractor. Okay. So it's basically simple. What we were doing in full subtraction, half subtraction, the same thing we have to do. There will be there is two methods for doing this. First method is to connect a series of full subtractor, series of n full subtractor. For designing an n-bit subtractor, there are two methods. First one, we can by using n number of full subtractor and connecting them in series, okay, and creating a borrow ripple subtractor. Like there is a full subtractor, another full subtractor, another full subtractor, okay. So we are borrow is there, okay. So in subtractor, full subtractor, there are three inputs and two outputs. क्या होते हैं inputs and outputs? X, Y होते हैं inputs and borrow in, that is borrow input, okay, B in, and difference is the output and another output is B out, okay. So this is a full subtractor. This is the diagram. So when we are connecting the n number of full subtractor in series and creating a borrow ripple subtractor, then that is one method of creating n bit subtractor. Okay. So here तो अगर हम इसके लिए लेते हैं ना x0 y0, so x1 y1, okay, so it is n number, so there will be many subtractor, okay, and the last subtractor जो होगा ना, जो हम connect कर रहे हैं, that will be xn minus 1 and yn minus 1, and यहाँ पे जो borrow आएगा, that will be b, this one is b0, okay, this one is b0, and what we are getting out ना, इसे हम b1 लेते हैं, okay. So here what we are getting ना, that will be bn minus 1, and इसका जो output आएगा, there will be two outputs ना, one is difference and another is b out. So ये b out जो होगा, that will be bn, okay. So similar we have done for adders also, okay. So the same thing we have to do here, and for designing an n bit binary subtractor, ठीक है. So there is another method of designing n bit binary subtractor. That is what we'll take n number of adders and invert them. Simply I'll show you. X minus y, there is n bit binary values. So we have to do, n bit binary value, that is y, we have to subtract. Subtractor means what? We have to subtract an n bit binary value from another n bit binary value, okay. So this is given. So the second thing, the second method of doing this is, what we can do, we can find out the 2's complement of y, and we'll add that with x, okay. Then we'll get the value, and we'll get the subtracted value, okay. So this is another method. So now we'll see one example for n-bit binary subtractor, and we'll take example n is equal to 4. So we'll take 4-bit subtractor, we'll see. See, we have taken x का value, y का value will be y3, y2, y1, y0 as I told you earlier that हमने पहले भी discuss किया था like a number is given 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is a binary value, 4-bit binary value. Okay, so this will be, if y हम ले रहे हैं y is equal to this one, then this will be y0, y1, y2, y3. Okay, so we'll consider it like this. Okay, so y will be equal to y3, y2, y3, y2, y1 and y0, and x will be equal to x3, x2, x1, x0, and d will be equal to d3, d2, d1, d0, because we have taken 4-bit. Okay, n bit की जगह n is equal to 4 we have taken, so we are talking about 4-bit binary subtractor. Okay, full subtractor. Okay, now, so it's basically like this. Why b0 is equal to 0 we have written, because borrow 0, because nothing from lower order bit से जो भी आ रहा है borrow, that will consider here at b out, मतलब यहाँ पे b in की तरह वो consider करेंगे जो that is coming at b out जो लोअर ऑर्डर बिट से आ रहा है. ओके, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, इसके पहले कोई बिट नहीं है, नो लोअर ऑर्डर बिट इज दिस इज द लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट, सो इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एट 0 क्योंकि कोई बोरो नहीं है. ओके, नाउ this borrow b0 will be equal to 0, and that is coming, that will be considered at as input, because there will be 3 inputs, y, x and b input. Okay, and 2 outputs d and b out. Okay, so in this case b0 is coming and there are 4 bits we have taken, this is 4-bit subtractor, and b4 is coming out, that is output. Okay, and inputs we have taken 2 inputs, 4-bit x3, x2, x1, x0, y3, y2, y1, y0, and output will be, there will be 2 outputs, one is d3, d2, d1, d0 and b4. Okay, so the basic जो इसके अंदर हो रहा है, that is now we'll talk, this is 4-bit binary, I mean 4-bit full subtractor, 4-bit binary subtractor you can say, but रिपल जो कैरी रिपल सॉरी बोरो रिपल सबट्रैक्टर कैसा होता है फॉर दिस वन, फॉर द सेम थिंग विल टेक 4-bit na, so we'll take 4 boxes. Okay, 4 subtractors, 4 full subtractors we'll take, and then okay, so first of all we'll take this, b0 is coming here, b0, now y0, x0. okay, हम full subtractor की बात कर रहे हैं, this is one full subtractor. okay, and output will be d0. ठीक है, and now the output is coming out, there will be 2 outputs and 3 inputs, b0 that is b borrow input, borrow in जो है ना, that is b0. so b0, y0 and x0 inputs है, outputs क्या होंगे d0 and b1, मतलब कि that is coming out, b out को हमने यहाँ पे 1 लिया तो b1 is coming out, that will be borrow out, जो borrow आ रहा है that is here. now for this one, this is another full subtractor, the second one. okay, full subtractor, and in this full subtractor there will be 3 inputs, क्या होंगे x1, y1 and b1. okay, and sorry, 3 inputs x1, y1, b1. okay, and 2 outputs d1 and b2, that is output. okay, so lower order bit से that the whatever is coming ना, जो borrow आ रहा है ना, that will be considered an input for this one. okay, and इसका जो output होगा d1 and b जो भी b2 होगा, जो भी borrow out है ना, borrow out जो output वाला borrow है, that will be going to the next order bit, और उस next order bit में that will be considered an input. okay, so again there is one more full subtractor. okay, so these all are 1-bit full subtractor. तो full subtractor कैसा, we can take only 1 bit ना in full subtractor, but when we are talking about n bit subtractor that will be वो ऐसा दिखेगा, but n bit subtractor में we'll consider that as borrow ripple subtractor. वो होता कैसे, there will be series of full subtractor, we'll consider full subtractor, many full, like for n full subtractor, n bit subtractor के लिए we'll take n number of full subtractor. so 4-bit subtractor के लिए, 4-bit subtractor के लिए we'll take 4 full subtractor. so 1 2 3 and 4 full subtractor we'll take, and उसका circuit कैसा रहता है we'll see. okay, now तो x0, x1, x2, y2, d2, okay, and b3, okay. So b0 is coming here, borrow आया x0 y0 के साथ, and what output we got, d0 and b1, okay. Again b1 will be considered as input for this one, second one, मतलब next order bit के लिए. So x1, y1, b1 will be considered as input and output will be d1 and b2, okay. So this will be considered as input for this one, next order bit के लिए, and in this one x2, y2 and b2 will be considered as inputs, and what will be the output, d2 and b3 will be output for this one, and b3 will be considered as the borrow in for the last one, this next order bit के लिए, okay. So this one will be x3, y3 and b3, three inputs and two outputs, d3 and b4. तो see what is going, तो ये पूरे को when we are considering like this ना, ये सारे को हम एक साथ when we are taking ना, तो what we are giving just b0 here, and what inputs we are getting, x3, x2, x1, x0, y3, y2, y1, y0. So that's we have written here, and what output we are getting, d3, d2, d1, d0 and b4, okay. So this is the borrow, the same 4-bit subtractor के लिए borrow ripple subtractor, okay. So for any number of bit के subtractor के लिए we can design the circuit for borrow ripple subtractor. So we have taken for 4 bits, 10 bits, 12 bits, 20 bits, 50 bits, सारे bits के लिए we can take, okay. We can design borrow ripple subtractor. Got it? As I told you, there are two methods. One, so we have to subtract an n-bit binary value, that is y, from another n-bit binary value, that is x. So x minus y, for that we saw subtractor, okay, n-bit subtractor, and for that we also designed the borrow ripple subtractors, okay. So 4 full subtractor ko we have connected in series, and we got the borrow ripple subtractor. There is one other method that we were talking about initially. So that was x minus y we have to find out, and that is x and y both are n-bit numbers, n-bit binary values. So there is another method, the value that we had, the input that we have to, that is to be subtracted, that is y, okay. Y is an n-bit binary value that is to be subtracted, okay. That should be subtracted from the another value, that is x, okay. So there हम consider करते हैं 4, n is equal to 4. So y is a 4-bit binary value that has to be subtracted from x, okay. X is another 4-bit binary values, okay. So the another method is y का हम 2's complement will find out the 2's complement of y, and x के साथ हम उसे add करेंगे, okay. We'll add it. So here we'll use adders, okay. So adder use करेंगे, we'll use 4-bit adders, and what we will find out, we'll find out the complement of y. So basically हम क्या करते हैं, y का complement we have to find out, 2's complement of y, 2's complement of y, okay, ठीक है. So 2's complement of y मतलब y का complement पहले find out करेंगे, 1's complement, and then we'll add 1. 2's complement का मतलब क्या हुआ, 1's complement of y plus 1, okay. Then we'll get the 2's complement of y. So 1's complement मतलब we'll find out inverter हम use करेंगे, we'll use n number of inverters. So here this is 4-bit adder, we are using 4-bit subtraction करना है 4-bit values के लिए. So we'll use 4 inverters, okay. So this value y is to be subtracted from x. So x को as it is will write, there will be 3 inputs, x, y and b, but adder हमने लिया है तो carry रहेगा, okay. तो it will be c0. So x3, x2, x1, x0 में no change, because this number is the number from which we have to subtract the another number, another binary value, that is y. But y को हमें subtract करना है, तो we'll use 4 inverters here. So y3 invert, okay. So this here we'll get y3 complement, here we'll get y2 complement, y1 complement and y0 complement, okay. So ये complement से we'll get 1's complement of y, but we have to find out the 2's complement. What we'll do, when we'll add 1 in this number, we'll get 2's complement of y. So 1 add करने के लिए यहाँ पे carry जो this is the least significant value, least significant bit जो है, there no carry will be there ना, so carry will write 1. okay, so 1 जब हम carry लेंगे it will be added to this number and क्या होगा, will get it will तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, 2's complement मिल जाएगा. okay, तो what we have to, here we are using adder. so in subtractor what we were doing, हमने x y और b लेते थे तो x minus y minus b रहता था, but in case of adder, full adder, x plus y plus c रहता है, right? so this value we have taken inverter because we have to find out the complement of y, and then we'll add 1, we'll get complement 2's complement of y. so x plus y bar जो भी है plus 1. okay, so adder is है तो there will be 3 inputs and 2 outputs. These are the outputs. and इसको हम similarly जैसे हमने full subtractor को n bit subtractor को we have converted into borrow ripple subtractor, similarly we can convert this adder 4 bit adder and into carry ripple adder. okay, so we have seen all the four combinational circuits of subtractor, half subtractor and full subtractor we have seen, we have done in previous videos, and today we have done n bit subtractor, carry ripple subtractor, and one another thing, that is adder, subtraction by using adder. So this one is the subtraction by using adders. So all the combinational circuits for subtractors we have done. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.